Welcome to Eden's Delights, a coveted video series featuring useful plants of the Bible. World-renowned archaeologist and avocational botanist Dr. Ed Bez, in this entertaining series, teaches you how to grow biblical health food that will sustain in the harshest of climates. And now, Dr. Ed Bez and Eden's Delights.
Well, folks, here we are in Schenectady, New York. It's a beautiful mid-September afternoon with blue skies and beautiful temperatures. The project that we're working on here is a volunteer project to beautify a community street here in Schenectady. It's an amazing project that they have in these communities where they leave a median strip that is available for the community and residents to beautify that particular median strip. Well, we have found a median strip off of Hampton Avenue here in Schenectady, and we are beginning the process of getting it cleaned up, and we will be slowly beginning to plant certain biblical species, trees and shrubs, and certain kinds of fruits and grains, etc. It will serve two purposes. One, a clear beautification of this median strip that has not been well maintained. But secondarily, it's going to be an opportunity for the community to ask questions about what are biblical plants and why does that matter, and maybe an opportunity to kind of introduce them to the world of the Bible afresh and anew. Joining me in this project from Israel, I want you to welcome, some of you have already met him on Facebook, but this is Daniel Zarecki, and glad to have him with us. And we are just excited to do something for the community. It is a volunteer effort. We're not being paid, but it's an opportunity. So I thought maybe I'd just give Daniel a moment here just to greet you and say whatever might be on his heart.
Hello, thank you again. It's nice to work here outside, cleaning, doing something for America, from being sent from Israel to the nation to help them and plant something here, and just nice to, in this beautiful day, to work outside. Thank you again.
Yes, and I can assure you he's a strong Israeli. We're great friends. We work together in Israel, working at a biblical botanical garden and archaeological park. We became really close, and my wife and I decided it would be wonderful to invite him. He's never been to the U.S., though he is a world-traveled individual. For 26 years old, he's experienced a great part of the world, but America is something that's new for him. And so we welcome him, and this just gives you a little bit of an idea of the kind of thing that you might be able to do as you look down this long median strip. There are some trees planted, but we hope to intersperse between these trees biblical plants and have little markers, so it will explain what the plant is, what its common name is, what its Latin name is. And maybe we might even mention a passage from the Bible from which that plant is taken or where it is referenced. So it's kind of an interesting way to introduce people into the world of the Bible without being overtly denominational or overtly religious, but just letting people have some sense of what the ancient world may have looked like. So again, from Schenectady, New York, this is Dr. Ed Bez, and again, this is another BBG production.